Hi, my name is Kat Kerr, and today I'm sharing my new stencils with Stencilgirl products, and we're going to be monoprinting and creating a small assemblage. Now I'm starting off today's session with playtime, and my favorite playtime pastime has to be monoprinting. Now I first add color to the pages by first picking out a handful of some of my favorite colors, and then I add that as the base to the pages. And then I start incorporating some of my stencils, and I love using black. I definitely am a grunge-aholic, and so I use that black to highlight some of the stencils. And as you can see, I am just playing and having fun, and I love how grungy they come out. I end up with about 7 or 8 different pages. Now when I'm done with the monoprinting, I'm just going to add some more stencil design using some black acrylic paint and a cosmetic sponge. Now to finish off these pages, I wanted to add some circles, and so here I'm using, it's one of those plastic circle templates, and I'm simply adding some paint through them using a cosmetic sponge. And when that paint dries, I end up using my gel pen just to add some mark making. Now that my pages are complete, I've picked out a box that I'm going to use as my shadow box. And this box is actually an old one that I had from Retro Cafe, and I had used it in another project, but I wasn't happy with the project. And so I ended up just covering it up with my monoprints. I cut down the papers to fit the sides, and then I adhered them using double tack dry adhesive film. Now for my focal, I'm first painting this chipboard piece by Wow Studios, and then I also add some Dresden trim to the edges of the shadow box, and then I assemble it by adding some scrap pieces from my monoprints, an image, some string, and a title, and this piece is done. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I definitely hope that you check out my new stencils over at Stencilgirl Products. For the complete list of the materials used in this tutorial, check out that description below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.